So in this video, we're basically just going to be going over creating your first Hello World file, downloading Java, adding Java to your path, creating your first Java file, again, which is the Hello World, compiling the file, running it through the class name, and then we'll be going over the next video, or the rest of it in the next video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the link in the description or the annotation on the screen right now, and it will bring you here. This is where you'll be downloading the JDK development kit, or the JDK, which is the Java development kit. So you're gonna scroll down to where you see Java SE development kit, click the radio button that says accept license agreement, download Windows JDK, and just wait for this to install. Now once it's installed, you can just close your browser and go to your downloads, which I'll drag over right now, and you will see your JDK install right here. You want to run this. Yes. Okay, so as I was saying before my computer decided to basically crash, you're going to want to run this and then go through the basic installer, just next. You shouldn't want to change anything, just set things to default. And as I already have it, I'm going to cancel this. I don't need to download it. Once you finish running and installing the JDK, you're going to want to go to your program files on your local disk, find your way to Java, and you will see that you now have a JDK folder. You may have an extra JRE. If you already had one before, it could download it as well. That's fine. Now if you open up your command prompt and type in Java C, you should get nothing, but this is what you usually get. You should get nothing, but this is what you'll get once you have added Java to your path, the Java JDK to your path. To do that, go to your control panel. From there, go to System and Security. Find your way to System. Under that, Advanced System Settings. Here we want to go into the environment variables, and then see that right here we can see the path. I want to edit that. So this is what I have, my JDK path. What you're going to want to do is wherever your JDK is installed, it'd most likely be the same location as where I have it, but go into your JDK, go into your bin, now click here, copy this, and you'd want to add a semicolon from what you have last, if there isn't one already, paste that, hit OK, and you're going to want to restart your command prompt. If you type it again right now with the same command prompt, it wouldn't work. You're going to want to open a new window. Fucking, this chair is really squeaky. 1 second. Sorry. When I just type Java C, you should see it works. Mine was working the entire time again because I already had it in my path. But now we're on to the actual writing of the file. So I'm sorry about that. On top of my very sick voice that I'm sorry about, my recording software is also giving me some issues. So what happened is I've made the HelloWorld.java and I've ran it as a class and I've ran it inside of my command prompt, but because all of that footage was erased, we're going to restart. Just get rid of this line by line. Oh god, where's the... Okay, I did this a second ago, sorry. Just do it by hand, it works. And we're gonna create this file, HelloWorld.java, wherever you'd like. I just put it in my documents. And you're gonna wanna start out by starting with opening your class, which in this case we're gonna call it Hello World, and I'll explain why later. Next, you're gonna wanna type public static void main, and then in parentheses string with closed brackets, arg, which stands for arguments, and open up this argument or method. Inside of this, we're just going to want to print hello world. So system.out println in parentheses, and then inside double quotes hello world. You don't have to put that exclamation point if you don't want to. You can be curious about it if you want. but we're going to be happy and excited. And then you're going to close your class and your method. Now, as this is a very basic file to write, we're not going to go into depth about it, but I'm just going to keep it at that. And now what you're going to want to do is open command prompt. And once you have it open, go to your documents or wherever you saved it. Again, for me, I saved it in documents, so I would go to documents. And as you can see, if I type dir, D-A-R, directory, you can see we have our HelloWorld.java in here. If we type Java C, HelloWorld.java, I'll just hit tab to autofill it out for me. Because I'm lazy. That's what I do. Enter. Now if I type dir again, you can see we now have a HelloWorld.class as well. If we go and look in here, we have HelloWorld Java file and HelloWorld.class. Now to actually execute the Java file or the compiled class file, we're going to call it with the class name. We're naming it Hello World just so we can remember it. It's usually a good idea to name it the same thing you're going to name the file or the Java file, just so it's easier to remember and call. So you simply just type Java and then the name of your class, which in this case is Hello World, and it would return Hello World. Again, I apologize for my voice being all raspy and scratchy, and again, all the flaws with the recording. I just don't have enough time to go re-record and set all that up again, so we're just going to go with what you got. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. Contact information is going to be in the description, along with links to the Java JDK download and social media, etc. So thanks again, we'll see you in the next video, which is going to be cloning a Git repository to Windows.